Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you a very important information that will help you to build your online business very easily and comfortably. Okay, it's just a two-step process that you must follow if you have not yet started online, and this simple process will help you to grow at every stage while when you get started with your online business. Okay, so it's about how to grab knowledge and install that knowledge into a specific plan, and then how to create a routine habits, okay, so that you can live the internet entrepreneur lifestyle that many live. Okay, but for that you have to actually break your previous habit pattern. So I'll be showing you a simple step-by-step process, and hopefully this will give you a new insight as to how you can build your online business today. Okay, so now that you want to achieve success, okay, now that you want to build a successful online business, the first step you have to do is grab knowledge from an expert who is doing exactly the same thing that you want to do, who has achieved the success that you want to achieve. Okay, so the first step to success on internet or in anything that you want in life is to gain knowledge from an expert who is doing what you want to do, who has achieved the success that you want to achieve. Okay, the first thing you have to do is grab knowledge. Okay, now if you go into local bookstores, you will get books from experts in almost every niches. So you can pick up few books, read them, and when you read a book, you actually get entire life experience of an expert in a specific market. So it is so easy to get knowledge and information nowadays that all you have to do is look for it. Okay, you can go to local bookstores, or probably you can even hire the expert as your coach and consultant. You can pay them some fees, and that expert will actually help you out one-on-one to make sure that you achieve the same results that he has achieved. So it is easy to get knowledge, but after the knowledge, if you just sit down and do nothing is going to happen. So the second step is to convert that knowledge into a plan. Okay, so you have to get that knowledge from the expert, then convert that knowledge into an actionable plan that you will implement and make sure that you go from where you are right now towards your end goal. So this is an extremely important step, because as I said, there is no lack of knowledge. Okay, you get knowledge everywhere. You can get knowledge on internet, local bookstores. There's an information overload. Okay, and expert based information is everywhere. All you have to do is just look for it. But if you just keep grabbing the information, it is of no use. You have to make sure that you take action on that information. That is the most important step. Now once you have converted your knowledge into a plan, the next step you have to do is create a routine habit pattern. Okay, this is the most important step. When you convert anything into a regular habit, it becomes automatic. For example, when you did not know how to drive car, so you learned driving car for 20 days, 30 days, 1 month. Okay, but once you got it in your subconscious mind, it's now automatic. Okay, that's why you don't forget how to do swimming, you never forget how you drive car, you never forget how you drive a bike. Okay, so these are something which has converted into a routine habit patterns. Okay, when you get up in the morning, you have a routine of brushing your teeth, taking a shower, okay, having your breakfast and going out of work. So this is a routine habit pattern that you have created. If you are doing a job, so you have a routine of probably getting up at 8 a.m. in the morning and getting everything done by 9 a.m. and then rushing to a job and reach there by 10. Okay, and then again leaving back by 6 and by 8 coming back to home. Okay, so it's a routine habit pattern that has been created in your subconscious mind. And if you are doing a job, your subconscious mind is used to getting a paycheck on 30th of every month. So if you are doing a job, you have a specific routine habit pattern, and to become an entrepreneur, you have to actually slowly and steadily kill that habit pattern and integrate the habit pattern of an entrepreneur. How an entrepreneur works, how he makes money, and what he does exactly. Okay, so this is what you should be doing. So you have a habit pattern installed right now in your subconscious mind. All you have to do is convert that habit pattern into, replace that habit pattern into an entrepreneurial habit pattern. Okay, so example, this is your subconscious mind, right now. Okay, so you have a X habit pattern. Okay, now this is the habit pattern of people who are doing a job. So this is a job habit pattern. Okay, and let's say you want to install a Y habit pattern, and this habit pattern is an entrepreneur habit pattern. Okay, so now you have to convert your X habit pattern into your Y habit pattern. So when you try to do this for the first time, okay, when you try to install this habit pattern out here into your existing habit pattern, so let's say you are trying to do this, okay, you are trying to get this kind of habit pattern in your subconscious mind. When you do this for the first time, you become really uncomfortable. Okay, so I'll give you my own example. When I started shooting videos, it was extremely uncomfortable for me because I had to change my entire mindset towards doing business online. Okay, so it was really difficult for me to get in front of the camera and speak something. Okay, as I'm in India, English is not my primary language, and my English also is not that good. Okay, I make lots of grammatical mistakes. So it was really difficult for me to get in front of the camera and speak something very smoothly. So it took me around 15 to 20 days non-stop in creating crap videos. The audio quality sucked, the cameras were not in place, I did not know what kind of cameras to use, how to set up everything. So I took lots of training from experts, video production trainings and all that stuff to get all this in place. Then I learned how to speak in front of the camera, how to get my mindset in place, and all this took time. Okay, it took me approximately 1 month to get all this in place. Okay, I did not get good microphones, and the cameras were not right, the audio quality was not good, there was lots of background noise. So everything took time. It was really uncomfortable. I messed up many times. Many of my videos I had to delete it off. Okay, but now once everything is done, it's now comfortable. I actually installed this Y habit pattern out here. So initially when you do this, it will be really uncomfortable for the first 21 days because it takes 21 days to install a new habit pattern. So you have to make sure that you put in real efforts to get that entrepreneur habit pattern and replace it with your existing job habit pattern. So in short, if the entrepreneur or whoever is your coach or consultant tells you that when you get up in the morning, you have to, if you're doing an internet business, you have to actually get started driving traffic to your website. You have to look for your freelancers, what work they are doing. Let's say you have to go about creating products, videos, content for your website, and you have to build relationship with your subscribers. You have to send them emails on regular basis. If your subscriber tells you all this and if you're not doing it, then you're not replacing your habit pattern. But if you start doing it, the initial 21 days will be really uncomfortable. It will be tough, but when you pass through that phase, things will be automatic. Then you will have positive feelings and you will do this real automation, really automatically. The way you're driving car right now. Initially, when you were driving car, you really went crazy. You were sweating and you had to actually focus at each and every angles, and all the length and the width of the car and everything. You had to focus at the initial level. But once you got it within your subconscious mind. It became a habit. It became a process and automation. So this is the same thing if you want to become an entrepreneur. So you have to install this habit pattern, and then slowly and steadily after 21 days this habit pattern will get deleted. Okay, and you will replace your habit pattern with a Y habit pattern. Okay, and when you get this, what happened is that you actually took a leap towards growth. Okay, you took one step towards growth, towards success. So this is how you move towards the ladder of success, step by step. You have to continuously grab new knowledge, convert it into a plan, install that plan into a routine habit pattern, and then live the life that way. Okay, so when you do this, you keep doing all this, you will move towards success one step at a time, and acquiring your goal will not be a very difficult task. So make sure you do this, and I hope you have got great value out of this video, and I'm sure you will be applying the information that I've given you. With this, I'll end up this video. And by the way, if you are looking for some more cool training from me, some real valuable information that will help you to get started with your online business and give you the knowledge that you can actually convert into a habit pattern and grow a successful online business, make sure you click on the link right below this video, and I'll be giving you some more cool training and information. With this, I'll end up this video and wish you all the very best and success. Have a great day.